Yeah, good morning, students. Uh, Today, our topic is an axial line of an electric dipole and equatorial line of an electric dipole. What is the electric intensity at a point on the axial line and intensity at a point on the equatorial line? These two topics we will learn in this class. Thank you. First, what is an axial line of an electric dipole? Axial line. Suppose if you take an electric dipole, this is a plus charge and this is a minus charge, which is a center at O, and the separation between them is a 2A. What is an electric dipole? Means the line which is a passing through the two charges. Passing through the two charges. This is called an axial line. This is called an axial line. This is an axial line. What is an axial line? The line passing through the line passing through the two charges of an electric dipole is called an axial line. On axial line. This is an axial line. What is the equatorial line? Equatorial line. What is an equatorial line? Suppose we are considering two charges plus q and minus q, and this is the center of dipole. The distance between them is a 2a. The line which is a perpendicular to the axial line and passing to the center of the dipole is called the equatorial line. This is an equatorial line. How the equatorial line? It should be perpendicular to the axial line and passes to the center of electric dipole. It must be passing from center of dipole. Here I am considering a line. This is also perpendicular to the axial line, but it is not passing to the center of electric dipole, so it is not considered as an equatorial line. Equatorial line must be characteristic. It should be perpendicular to the axial line and passing to the center of an electric dipole.
So this line not an equatorial line, only the line which is passing through the center of an electric dipole and perpendicular to an axial line. How can we define an equatorial line? The line which is perpendicular to the axial line and passing through the center of an electric dipole is called equatorial, or we can define as the perpendicular bisector of axial line. Perpendicular bisector of axial line is called an equatorial line. Perpendicular bisector of an axial line is called equatorial line. Equatorial line. It is an equatorial axial line. The line which joins the two charges is called axial line, or we can call it as the line which is passing to the two charges. Axial line. What is an equatorial line? The line which is perpendicular to the axial line and passing through the center of an electric dipole. This is called equatorial line. Simply we can call it as perpendicular bisector of an axial line is called simply equatorial line. Now our question is, determine the electric intensity at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole, which carries 4 marks. In a similar manner, at electric intensity at a point on the equatorial line. First of all, we will discuss about the electric intensity at a point on the axial line, which carries 4 marks. Most important question number 30. Electric intensity. Our question is electric intensity at a point on the axial line. Axial line of an electric
intensity at a point on the axle. Look at here. Let it be half of the derivation will be derivation product. Here I am considering an electric dipole. Let it be plus Q and minus Q. This is a center O. The distance from A, B, let it be AB. The distance from A to O, let it be R, and this is also, let it be A, and this is also A. Total length 2A. This is an axle, the line. We are considering a point P on the axial line at a distance R from the center of an electric dipole. This diagram which carries a 1 mass, very important diagram. Without this diagram we can't derive. Okay. So this is, here I am considering an electric dipole. On the axial line at a point P, we are considering a point P on the axial line which is at a distance R from the center of an electric dipole. So first we will find the electric intensity. We know the dipole moment. Dipole moment. P is equal to into A. Let it be a equation. Electric dipole moment P is equal to Q into TA.
First we write the electric intensity. Electric intensity at P due to plus Q is electric intensity at P due to this charge.
Let it be E plus Q. E plus Q is equal to the formula electric intensity 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. R means we need a distance. Distance means AP square. You can write it as E plus Q is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by. What is the value of AP? The total distance you are having the R, and by subtracting this A we can get P means R minus A whole square. Let it be the equation. This electric jet P plus Q. In a similar manner, we will find
electric intensity same point P due to negative charge. Due to negative charge is, let it be E minus Q. So we have the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q. Charge is a negative, so we can write negative charge by distance square. Due to this negative charge to the P, here it is a total charge, total distance R, and we have the extra distance A is there, so it becomes R plus A whole square. R plus A whole square. But we have an electric intensity at P due to electric dipole. So the resultant electric intensity,
at P. Let it be E. E is equals to, we are having E plus Q plus E minus Q. E plus Q plus E minus Q. So E is equal to, what I have from equation 2, we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught
Q by R minus A whole square and plus, here it is the plus,
E minus Q. From third equation we can write E minus Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q by R plus A whole square. R plus A whole square. E is equals to, take a Q by 4 pi epsilon as a common, and we have R minus A whole square plus E to minus minus 1 by R plus A whole square. Here Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, take LCM, R minus A whole square into R plus A whole square. R minus A square whole square, so it becomes R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square. We have formulas, two formulas. Since a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, and next formula is a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square whole square. You have to remember these two formulas. Based on these two formulas, we calculate, we derive further from simplification. Q is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So, Q equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is the R plus A minus R minus whole square is 4AB. I can write 4RA by A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square means A square minus B square whole square. Similarly, R square minus A square whole square. By rearranging the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I can write this 4 as a 2 into Q into 2A into R by R square minus A square whole square. So it becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to what is the value of Q into 2A? P, and this is R by R square minus A square whole square. This is the expression for the electric intensity. This is an expression for the electric intensity at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. At a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. Electric intensity at a point on the axial line of an electric dipole. It's a very simple derivation, and which is the most important derivation also. Now, we are going to determine the same electric intensity at a point on the equatorial line. We have an axial line expression, we have 2p r by, so we can write here also, suppose for r much greater than a, then r can be neglected, then r can be neglected, sorry, a can be neglected, a can be neglected. Then it becomes E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. 2p by r cube. That's it. So our next question, at a point on the equatorial line. Equatorial line. Point on the equatorial line. Next question, but it is intense point on the equatorial line. So for their country equatorial line, it be a electric dipole plus and minus are sent, and this is A and this is A.
Let it be. This is an equatorial. Considering a point P on the equatorial line, which is at a distance r. Which is at a distance r. The electric intensity due to plus charge is like this.
Let it be E plus Q. And the negative is like this. This is E minus Q. The resultant is like this. Same. This is electric intensity E. This is E plus Q. And we consider a triangle like this. A, B, P, Q, and this is R. P2 and R. Pythagoras theorem. This is a R square plus A square.
This becomes r square plus a square. So for electric intensity due plus A epsilon naught into Q by R square. R means the distance from A to P. How it is? How much? R square plus A square. Root and square gets cancelled. Let it be first equation. Next, electric intensity due to minus 2 is E minus Q is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon minus Q by the distance same, P to B also same, square R square plus A square. Second equation. But here triangle PQR is a similar with the triangle APB, the triangle APB. So the ratio of sides must be equal. So we need E. For that, base is the triangle PR. Here also the base is AB. PR by AB is equal to take one side Q. In this triangle AP, this is A. Right. The value of R is E by AB. The PQ is equal to So E by 2A is equals to, what is the value of E plus Q we are having here? It is from equation 1. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square plus A square by, what is A? Here we have root of R square plus A square. I can this root as whole power 1 by 2 instead of root. But cross multiplication, E is equals to 2A goes here, it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2A by R square plus A square power 1 into R square plus A square over to the power of 1 by 2. E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2A means P by power 1 and 1 by 2 base are equal, so powers are add up. Becomes R square plus A square over to the power of 3 by 2. Since dipole moment P is equals to 2 into 2A. This is the expression for the electric intensity at a point on the equatorial line. For R much greater than A, then A can be neglected. A can be neglected. A can be neglected. A can be neglected. E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by A neglected, so we are having R square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. E is equals to, we are having 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R cube. P by R cube. This is an expression for the electric intensity at a point on the equatorial line. At a point on the equatorial line. So in this class we will learn two expressions: the electric intensity at a point on the axial line and the electric intensity at a point on the equatorial line. We have derived those two formulas for the electric intensity due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line, at a point on the equatorial line. The formulas are like this: E is equals to, we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by r cube for axial line. E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r cube for an equatorial line. We have to remember these formulas. I can write here. So electric intensity, we have the formula E is equals to E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught
No? It's okay. That's enough for today. Thank you.